Welcome to my channel, Math Easy. Okay, sa mga nagre-review, reviewer po ito para sa mga teacher. Okay, let's talk about math. Algebra. Algebra muna tayo. So, let's answer page 56. Page 56, problem number 460. Factorize 2x squared plus 7x minus 15. The answer here is letter B, x plus 5, 2x minus 3. I'll show you the solution. Okay. So, ito po yung gagawin natin. Paano makuha yung sagot? Pangalanan natin si 2x squared as A, B, and C. We know that 15 is factorized into 5 times 3, which is 15, or 15 times 1 is equal to 15. Same lang po yun. And then, pag-iwalayin natin yung letter A. Pag-iwalayin natin yung letter A, that is equivalent to x, 2x. Dahil ang x times 2x ay equivalent siya sa 2x squared. So, ito at saka ito, same lang. Ganun siya po, pinaghihiwalay. Okay? And then, let's go to letter C. Yung C is factorized into 5 times 3. Ito gamitin natin. Lagyan natin dito yung 5. Ilagyan natin dito yung 3. So, ang target natin ay makuha itong nasa gitna, si letter B. Positive 7x. Diba? By mind, 10, 5 times 2 is 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. So, paano natin gagawin yun? Pag multiplyin natin yung inner at outer. Okay? So, yung outer muna. 5 times 2, 5 times 2x is equivalent to 10x. And, itong nasa labas ay 3 times x is equivalent to 3x. And then, pag pinag-minus mo to, that is equivalent to 7x. Right? 7x pag pinag-minus mo. Pero teacher, alin po ang ilalagay ko ng minus tsaka plus dito? Ilalagay mo yung, since positive to, ilagay mo yung positive mo sa mas malaking number. 5 times 2 is greater than 1 o x times 3. 3 lang to eh. Ito 5. So, dito mo ilagay yung positive. Ito negative to. So, dito ang positive, dito ang negative. Kasi malaki tong yung positive nito ay nandito sa 7. Okay? So, ang tamang sagot po natin ay x plus 5, 2x minus 3. Okay? Tingnan natin doon sa may book on page 56. That is letter B. X minus 5. Okay? That is x plus 5, 2x minus 3. Ito po yun. X plus 5, 2x minus 3. Okay, I hope may naintindihan po kayo sa aking tinuro. Thank you for watching. Bye!